What is up, everyone? I'm here to bring you an immensely important update on a cryptocurrency that I think has a very good chance of doing very well long term. In this video, I'm going to do some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening both short term and long term with Theta. So guys, if you like the sound of that, you have to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads, because we have been killing it on this channel. I called Ethereum breaking all-time highs. I've been calling Chainlink, Ethereum, Polkadot. I mean, check out our Twitter, check out our Discord group, check out our past YouTube videos. I mean, the evidence is out there. We've been killing it. We've been calling it. Like, link for all that down in the description below. Guys, you got to stay tuned to this channel. Mandatory viewing content. And very interestingly, Theta, a cryptocurrency that I'm not only bullish on, but Token Metrics. For those of you who don't know, Token Metrics is an AI-fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions platform. We have recently purchased it in order to inform our research and kind of what we talk about here. And Theta is extremely highly ranked when it comes to year-long investing. And I personally hold some Theta as well. I will be holding Theta for the long term. I'm going to be looking to scale out late third quarter, early fourth, 2021. So, but guys, so many interesting things to discuss here. We're kind of forming what could be interpreted as a bull flag, or at the very least a descending triangle here. So we're in a descending triangle here, broke out bullishly. So taking the conservative case scenario, if we take the height of the triangle, assume this is the breakout, I think we see, just under $3 sooner rather than later, 2.8 cents, $2.80. Now, a few interesting things to know. We are currently holding the 100 EMA on the 4-hour as support. If and when that doesn't hold, I think we're going to fall back down to roughly $1.80, $1.75, test the lower extremities of this pitchfork, and the 200 EMA on the 4-hour is right around there, around $1.75, $1.80. If we cannot hold these levels, if we cannot hold above $1.90, I think $1.80, $1.75 is pretty likely to happen. Further than that, I think $1.60 to $1.45 will act as critical support for Theta. If we fall below that, that is very bad news, bears. That is very no bueno. A lot of sideways price consolidation there. Last time we dumped, we found support in these regions. Lots of volume being here. So I'd wager that if we correct below this area here, $1.80 to $1.75, I think $1.60 to $1.45 will be kind of our support area. If we fall up back to like the $1.80 to $1.70 area, that will be kind of the accumulation zone for myself. So looking here at our indicators, honestly guys, actually let's go to the daily first, because the 6 hour is kind of indecisive. Okay, so we're in a downtrend, macro downtrend, RSI making lower highs, lower lows, MACD on the way down. Although the stochastic, something very interesting about the stochastic. The stochastic tells us whenever we're going to have a shift in the trend, not the extent to the shift in the trend, but that we're likely to have one. And it's very much in the oversold region. So I think it's a matter of time before we have a leg up, perhaps. And this is on the daily, very macro as well. Interestingly, momentum waves on the way down, money flow on the way down, but VWAP up on the way up. So very interesting. Let's look back at the 6 hour here. Stochastic on the way up, money flow on the way up, momentum waves bullishly diverging. This is bullish. It's bullish. Take a look at the RSI. Higher highs. Sorry, lower highs. Sorry, my bad, guys. Higher lows, lower highs. Okay. MACD could go up. Very indecisive. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. Trying to figure out what's happening in the short term. Ooh. I think we're going up. Yeah, I think we're going up. Bullish diverging. Momentum waves, stochastic on the way up, RSI kind of neutral, MACD not telling me a whole lot. Honestly guys, I think we may just hug this 100 EMA and this green line, maybe go for a leg up, and then maybe I'm not seeing signs. The reason why I'm trying to give you guys these support levels down below, because I believe the macro market is very precarious. Ethereum and Bitcoin could correct right now. Ethereum is currently getting rejected a little bit off its all-time highs. Bitcoin very precarious. They lead the market. If they decide to have a substantial correction, it's definitely going to have an effect on ADA. But I'm not seeing signs of us breaking down like in some other coins. So I think for us to remain bullish, we need to maintain the 100 EMA as support. If we start to break below that, then I'm looking at, like accumulation zones, basically $1.80 to $1.45. So Really, it's just the 200 EMA and this pitchfork. And aside from that, kind of this zone here where we had more volume and sideways price action and price reactive areas around here. So if we do break down, I think we're going to retest some of these lower regions here. But guys, I'm not really seeing a whole lot of reasons to say we're going to go down. In fact, looking at price action and like off the hourly indicators, I think we're going to go up. I think it's more probable than not that we go up. Guys, technical analysis is not a game of certainties. We deal in probabilities here. I think it's based off what I'm seeing. It's more probable than not that we break up. I mean, let's be a little more optimistic here. Let's say this is a bull flag and this is the breakout. I think we go to just $3.80 soon. Now, guys, the market is crazy bullish. Once Ethereum breaks above its all-time highs, I think the good alts are extremely likely to fly in the next few weeks and months here. Again, I'm a long-term investor. I think Theta has a very good chance of doing very well long-term. Turcometrics seems to think so. They're building kind of like a second layer for YouTube and video streaming. One of like the ex-YouTube co-founders, it was the person who made Theta. Theta has to do with like video streaming. I think it's, I actually really like the idea. I own some. I think it's gonna do very well long-term in my opinion. Guys, kind of what I'm looking at this point, I think kind of realistically, I think a lot of these good altcoins, there's a lot of shit coins out there. I think the good altcoins can do like a 20x from this point, right? So I think kind of peak of this bull run, I think kind of conservative / realistic scenario, I wouldn't be surprised if Theta goes to 20 bucks. That's kind of what I'm, looking out for. Again, I kind of mentioned my short-term price targets if we break down. So, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Check out our Discord group. Link for that down in the description below. Unfortunately, we only accept awesome people who want to make money and succeed in crypto. So you have to be awesome and want to make money and succeed in crypto in order to join. So if you are those things, make sure you check out our Discord group. We have a channel where we talk about our setups, and guys, we've been absolutely killing it. Check it out. And guys, the more I'm looking at this looks very bullish. We're having bullish divergence on our momentum waves. Like, we broke out bullishly out of a macro pattern here. Yes, Ethereum and Bitcoin look precarious, and if they decide to tank, that's definitely gonna have an effect on Theta. But like aside from that, if I was just looking at Theta alone, this looks very bullish, short term and long term. So I'll wrap it up there. Those are my thoughts. Take care, everybody.